What I forgot for you then, this is my new tool for the garage and for work. This is a 3D printer. It's called Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon, and that's a separate part of a machine. This is automatic spool dispenser for putting different colours in and different types of filament. So yesterday I got it out of the box, I got it going. My mate's got one of these, so we got experience with it anyway. We're going to use this for printing off car bits and pieces and all kinds of stuff. Radio control car shells for my son, bits, because all the chassis made of plastic. Everything's plastic on the Tamiya model. Scale electric shit, you name it. I'm about to print this busk of Ayrton Senna, so we'll see how that goes. Following on the busk of the goat, Ayrton Senna. You see it's made the base now, and it's just starting to make the actual bust of him, like the head. And those things at the side, those like columns at the side, they're just supports. They're not part of the model, so they just stop it flopping over while it's being printed. So they need removing when it comes out, and that's your wastage that gets thrown away. So certain things, big tricky things, there's a percentage of waste, and it depends how many columns it had holding it up, supports. So yeah, you can see his signature there at the bottom. Could have done that in another colour or something, but I'm still waiting on all colours to come. And this filament is called gold, silk gold, and you can just see it on them columns, the support columns there. In certain lights it looks black, and other columns it looks gold, and this gives it like a metal effect, as if the bust is actually made of precious metals or something. It's pretty cool. So yeah, it's 23% through there, so it's got a long way to go yet, but it is quite a substantial model. This is just for myself, so yeah. Here's how the bust of Senna's coming along. Soon be done. It's looking good. I like the gold, it really does look like metal. The way it changes and shimmers on it. This is cool, man. This is it just coming to an end here in the printer. Those weird tree things on the side, they're just little stanchions that hold it up, stop it collapsing. I'm in my man cave now by my sim, and I just thought I didn't actually show the finished Ayrton Senna busk that I 3D printed, but there it is, taking pride and place in my man shed, man cave. It was pretty cool. I mean, I didn't even have any experience with 3D printing, but there is a blemish on it. There is a bit on this that went wrong, but just under the chin there, can you see that? There. But the way the busk sits, you can't see it, but obviously I paint cars, so I've got tons and tons of grit papers, so I'm going to get some grit paper and just lightly sand that smooth. Been talking to other people that 3D print, and they say you have to do an element of that with these things anyway. So not the end of the world. I'm happy with it. I mean, it looks cool. It really does look like it's made of metal when you see it in the flesh. But yeah, Ayrton Senna, the busk of Ayrton Senna. So maybe the goat watching over me on the rig might make me less shit. Let's see.